Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you another simple recipe of mine called stir fry broccoli beef. So this is 500 grams beef and I slice this very thin, yeah. And I have this one broccoli, yeah, and I cut the size. And I have this one thumb size of ginger and I chop this one very fine. And I have this one clove garlic and I chop that one also. And one medium sized onion and I slice very thin, yeah. And this one is for the garnishing later on. So now what I do now is I'm gonna marinate my beef, yeah. So this recipe, guys, is very simple. All I need is 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, yeah. I'm using this brand, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a dash of pepper, and now we're gonna put in our ginger inside, yeah. What we do is we're gonna mix this. So we're gonna marinate this one, guys, for at least 10 minutes, yeah. And after 10 minutes we're gonna start cooking. And now I'm gonna show you my sauce. It's another very simple one. I just need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and I'm using light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. If you're on diet or on health issue, then you can put less honey, yeah. And dash of pepper, last time I'm gonna add this one with 1 teaspoon of dark sauce, yeah. So just mix this. So my sauce is ready. So see you in a bit. Okay, I marinate this one for 15 minutes, yeah. So now we're gonna start cooking. First thing, we saute our onion. In goes our garlic. Now put in our meat. So now we're gonna add in our sauce. And now, guys, we're gonna add in a little bit of salt. I'm gonna put in my broccoli, and we're gonna cover this here, and we need it cooked for at least 3 to 4 minutes. So we want to overcook our broccoli, yeah. So see you in a bit. Okay, now, guys, I actually cooked this one for 3 minutes, yeah, and look at that. So it's almost cooked. So before we dish this one out, we're gonna add in a little bit of cornstarch and mix this. And before I dish this one out, I'm gonna add in a dash of pepper. So this is it, guys. This is my stir fry beef and broccoli, and look at it, guys. And in fact, this one is one of our dish for tonight. Yeah. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye, guys.